Hey ProBono crew, it's Claire Desira here, and I know that some of your relationships will be under a little bit of extra pressure during this time of uncertainty and anxiety in the world. Even on a good day, we actually have a negativity bias in our brain, which means that it's so much easier to see the bad or annoying things in other people than it is to see the good things. So if that's what we're like on a good day, naturally all of this is dialed up during this global state of the world. And look, relationships are so important for our well-being. And whether it is one of your loved ones, even if they're amazing normally, or it could be a colleague who you love working with normally, or even they might grind your gears on a good day, but naturally our relationships are under a little bit of extra strain at the moment. So we wanted to share with you a question that you can keep in your back pocket to really help with this. The question is out of our mindset deck, and this is the question. What is something you appreciate about someone you normally complain about? What is something you appreciate about someone you normally complain about? This question is a really simple and proactive way for us to practice seeing the good in other people. It really trains our brain, even if we can't immediately think of something good about that person. It trains our brain and encourages our brain to look out for good in other people. Now, there's a lot in it for us actually when we do this, because neuroscientists say that practicing this and taking time to practice seeing the good in other people actually increases our own happiness and confidence and level of love and also productivity. And I don't know what family or team doesn't need that right at the moment. So really try hard, stretch yourself, or even just plant that question and tool in your back pocket and really try and see the good in other people. If you want to check out the other questions in our brain training mindset deck, then of course head over to Top 5 Movement. We've also got a deck for families that is really important, especially during the time right now when we're maybe spending way too much time with our loved ones. Of course, we're lucky having that opportunity, but also can be intense, right? And of course, if we can support you or your team in any way, particularly we've been running a lot of online resilience masterclasses for teams lately, then please, of course, head over to Top 5 Movement. We'll be back next week with another tip. Hey, before we go, we also just wanted to say a massive hats off to the ProBono Australia crew, led by Karen and Wendy as well, doing an amazing job. You're going through all of this with us, yet every single week, without doubt, your incredible newsletters, job opportunities, connection opportunities, and webinars are hitting our inboxes and making us feel connected and reminding us that we are really part of an important community sector here, and that will remain stronger than ever as we come out the other side of this. So thanks as well to you and the wonderful team there. Have a great week.